What's up, y'all? I hope you guys are having an awesome day. This is the second part of the gate install video. As I started getting into breaking down the gate and cutting the new pieces of wood together, it started to rain, so I pretty much had to audible and wait till the next few days to get that done. So here's the second part of the video. I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys have any comments, feel free to hit me up below. All the tools that I've used, including impact wrench, drill, all of that stuff, those links will be in the description below as well. Feel free to check them out if you're trying to get yourself some Craftsman tools. Those are actually great tools that I actually use to build this gate. Let's get into the video further, guys. Enjoy. All right, I'm bracing everything together, getting all my parts all put in together. So let's go here, putting the 38.5 over the top. Alright guys, I was able to prop it up with a piece of wood and secure it on here. So now to do the finishing touches, screw it on there permanently, and be done with this project. Alright, I was able to put the gate completely up there. No sag, no dragging against the deck whatsoever. And now the next piece is to put the latch up here and close it. And project is complete. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't kill me in the comments. I am not a contractor. I do not know all the methods on how to do gates and all of that stuff. That's not my day job. I just did my best to get this to work as best as possible. I used some recycled parts. The old banisters that were on the old gate, that's what I used, as you can see there. And the wood is practically new. The frame wood is practically brand new. So don't kill me in the comments. Just go easy on me. These brackets are also repurposed. I painted them. They were on another gate that was back there from the previous owner of the house. So I used them because there were no sag. So that actually helped out a lot. It took quite a lot to fit these inside the frame in itself. Took quite a lot of time. Took a couple of days, few drill bits here and there. I am not that great with the impact driver or drill just yet, but I'm practicing. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe as well. All right, guys. I hope you guys have a great day. Peace.